Hey guys, Sean Morey joining you for our final webisode on intellectual property, joined once again by Angela Grayson.
Thank you.
Angela has been spectacular and gracious enough to join us, and she's a local thought leader on everything related to intellectual property. If you haven't watched the previous videos, guys, we've talked about what is intellectual property, why is protecting intellectual property so important, how hard is it to protect intellectual property, and then what are some of the advantages to having federally registered your intellectual property. So this final one is basically, Angela, we'd love to find out what it is, if you had to recap in 1 or 2 minutes, that you want to leave with our viewers and your viewers and on everything related to intellectual property.
I think the biggest thing is that if you operate your business, 99.9% of the time you're actually creating intellectual property. The question is, do you want to protect that? And the next question is, do you want to try and extract value from that? The best way you can extract value from the intellectual property that you're already creating just by running your business is to protect it. We talked about some common law intellectual property creation that happens just by the nature of the business, but you've got to make sure that you're using your brand consistently and all of that. But I think that one of the things that really viewers should think about is where you can register your intellectual property with the Patent and Trademark Office or with the Copyright Office, you absolutely should. I think that is one of the biggest ways that you can probably get the most bang for your buck, so to speak, the most value out of the intellectual property from the perspective of protecting the brand, enforcing the brand, and actually leveraging that intellectual property to work for your business.
Wonderful. And guys, if you don't know already, Angela is absolutely available if you need help with anything related to IP. All of her contact information is going to be listed below in the description of this video. And once again, Angela, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I hope this was helpful for everybody out there, and we'll be seeing you next time for a different webisode series. Thanks.
Thank you.